Hello friends, it's Danny here at Danny's Dreams, and today I'm stopping by to share 3 cards. I have been loving this formula that I'm calling it, where I take 1 stamp set, 1 paper pad, and 1 sketch, and I make 3 cards. I started doing this in June when I was in an Instagram hop with some other crafters, and it was called Create It 3 Ways. And that's what I did the first time. And since then, I've done several other sets, and I just really like it. And I was talking with Crafty Al one day, and I said, I don't feel like I have a thing. Not that everyone needs that, but she has Sheetload. Kendra has her Kendra's Card Challenge. I mean, there's just, people have things, and I'm like, I really love doing this, so I think I'm gonna make it my thing. Like I said, there's no quick and easy catchphrase that I can come up with for it, but I am very hopeful in the future going forward. I will have at least once a week. I'm going to try for, except for months when I'm doing a special series, to have a post. I just think it's a great way to really use your stamp, your stamp sets, and it's a great way to use some paper and just kind of have fun. And I like how these sets, they come out very cohesive because they're all similar because of the same sketch, but yet they're all so different. So I'm going to pause here and I'm going to pop on the screen the previous sets that I've made using this. 1 stamp set, 1 paper pad, and 1 sketch. So I'll be right back. Okay, so those were some that I have made since June. Like I said, I don't know why, but I am really having so much fun with this. So for my card today, let's start with the stamp set. I used 1 stamp set, which is the Bundles of Hugs from Whimsy Stamps. So adorable. I used the Calico paper pad from Whimsy Stamps. I think it's getting thinner and thinner. I might be actually close to using it up at some point soon. It's such a pretty paper pad. And then the sketch I will put up on the screen in just a minute. I used some This Calls for Confetti, which is in Pirate Gold. I used some Stampin' Up! Stitched Shapes oh my goodness. Stitched Shapes Framelits. I do believe they're retired. And then you guessed it, my favorite, A2 rectangle. Nope. A2 stitched rectangle stacks set 1 from My Favorite Things. Goodness, that is such a long name. Okay, I will pop the sketch up now that I used for my cards today. All right, and then here we go. Here's the first one. It says, "Hello, friend." You can see that sketch. I did use some glossy accents on every single little squirrel. Did "Hello, friend" there. And then that's the inside. So there was the first one. Next, I had "Sending You Bundles of Hugs." The image was a little bit smaller, so I did add just a little banner there. You can see those glossy accents and the inside. And then the glossy accents are on the center of the flower for this one. "Sending You Bundles of Hugs." Again, it was a little bit smaller, so I added that little banner there. And the inside. So again, they're all very similar, but yet they're all so different, and they're all so cute. And it was all just using 1 stamp set, 1 paper pad, and 1 sketch. So that is what I'm hoping to share with you more often. Like I said, I'm going to shoot for once a week, maybe more. We'll see. And it's just a fun way to use it, really get that use out of that stamp set. And just, I don't know. I just really love doing this. Anyways, thank you so much for stopping by. Go do something for yourself and go get crafty.